showing up real good.
I got a video of it.
Yeah.
But it's not lightning. I got a picture of the crabs. Or at least one of them.
Did you?
Yeah. Cool. I don't know how well it turned out, but...
He came out for a split second on what I was doing. Went run right back in. Ran right back in.
Okay. Do y'all want to keep waiting for it?
Do we what?
Want to keep waiting for it?
I don't know how long it's going to be. Don't want to sit out here till dark. I'm going to sit out here till dark waiting on this wave to come. Knock this wall down. See if good with a sand bucket. I'll bring a bucket of water.
Dang, we're going to have to do it manually.
I think so.
Oh, here.
Okay.
It's already recording.
Well, that was cute with my fingers on there. Timber. Oh. I could do it up this way. And yes, my dear. Oh!